Arjunan, founder and CEO of SolutionBuggy. I have around 12 years experience in SME consulting and manufacturing domain. So my previous startup was into heat treatment simulation. So we developed a patentable technology jointly developed from IIT Chennai. So currently I am looking at sales and operation at SolutionBuggy. So we created this platform in 2016 to help the MSME sector overcome their challenges which they face in their day-to-day operations, whether it's technical, marketing, business development, or it may be related to product development, training. So we have around 1,500 projects under our belt. So this is Mr. Guru Prasad. So he is our Chief Technical Officer, and Mr. Vikas, he is our Chief Marketing Officer.
Hi, I am Guru Prasad Bangle. I have about 15 years of consulting experience in the US and UK. I used to work with IBM and Accenture. In 2010, I came back to India and did my MBA from IIM Bangalore. Post that, I had a startup which was into real estate data analytics, and I'd sold it to Magic Bricks in 2016. And post that, I teamed up with Arjun, and currently I am working as the CTO and also look after project management. From a technology perspective, SolutionBuggy has been able to use the AI platform and map almost 8,000 plus experts whom we are engaging on a day-to-day basis to help the MSME segment, right from product conceptualization to an entire plant setup. So this way we have been able to capture and also help the MSMEs since 2017.
Hello everyone, my name is Vikas Mandral and I am Chief Marketing Officer and co-founder of SolutionBuggy. I have around 20 plus years of experience in manufacturing industry in both technical and commercial side. I have worked with companies like Hindustan Aeronautics Limited, L&T, TE Connectivity, and my last stint with SKF was as General Manager Aerospace. In 2018, I got associated with SolutionBuggy and I was thrilled to see the vision and the difference it can create for SME industry. In the last 2.5 years, we have matured and we have become a thought leader for small and medium scale enterprises in manufacturing sector in India. We have onboarded thought leaders from different sectors as advisors and guides for the small and medium scale enterprise. We have Mr. S.C. Bajpai, who superannuated in 2017 as the Chairman of Ordnance Factory Board. We have Mr. N.C. Agarwal, who was Director of Design and Development for Hindustan Aeronautics Limited. He superannuated in 2019. We have Mr. Devendra Singh Mehra, who was Assistant Vice President of Spark Minda Group, who comes from automotive sector. Similarly, we have 15-20 kinds of advisors who have been sector leaders and a renowned name in their particular field.
Let me tell you more about what is SolutionBuggy, why we created this platform and how it is creating a difference in MSME. So SolutionBuggy is a digitalized MSME consulting platform to address all your challenges, what you face in your industry, whether it's technical, whether it is production, whether it is product development or any quality issues. So we have more than 8,000 plus experts to immediately address your problems and challenges and connect you with you online and address these challenges. So how are we helping MSME overcome the pandemic and the difficulties which they are facing? So with SolutionBuggy, as we have already digitalized the MSME problem solving space, so we have received multiple projects related to manufacturing, diversification, new plant setup, and the current scenario with the China fallout, Atmanirbhar project giving the more boost to the MSME. So we are seeing tremendous need for entrepreneurs and MSMEs to diversify into sunrise sectors. So let me give you one or two examples which will make you understand that how we are able to help our MSME brothers overcome these challenges. So we had a query received from Shivamogga. He was manufacturing this tarpaulin sheets. So he was trying with the no demand in his product, and he was unable to survive. So this is where he came across a platform, SolutionBuggy, and his requirement is to how do I overcome this challenge or my problem in this pandemic. So we were able to address his requirement and help him to diversify with a small alignment change in his manufacturing to start manufacturing of PPE kit. So now everybody talks about how India has become surplus in manufacturing PPE kit. So we have ourselves also helped in this contribution in helping MSME, struggling MSME to diversify into a PPE kit. Let me give you another example. So there was a trader which had approached SolutionBuggy just after the pandemic started. So his problem was he was importing this China nail and concrete nails which are used in your roofing and construction industry. So he was now unable to import because of this anti-dumping law which government has brought into the China import products. So this is where we were able to help him establish his own industry into manufacturing of this concrete nails. So this is what we are we are helping the SMEs to overcome these challenges and address variety of problems which they face. And we would proudly say that we are the only platform right now with a hands-on experience in helping MSME overcome their challenges, address their problems, and also grow in this pandemic.
SolutionBuggy is a unique concept. We are trying to solve the problems of people who have been till now neglected. We are addressing the problem and issues faced by the bottom of the pyramid, what we call a large volume but at the same time low cost expectations. And this complexity can only be handled with technology. And that's why technology is the core of our platform, which can bring in efficiency and cost effectiveness for all of us. The second unique point that we have is the team that we have grown so far. So three of the leadership team, me, our founder Mr. Arjun, and co-founder and CTO Mr. Guru Prasad. We come from a different background, and that's how the point of view that we bring to the table is completely different. Our capabilities are complementary, and that's why we are a great team together. And with the advisory team also coming into picture, we are a good mix of enthusiasm, modern technology, consulting, traditional manufacturing, and a lot of leadership experience. One more thing unique about SolutionBuggy is the complexity with which we deal. We have three dimensions across this. Number one is geographies. We are spread across all geographies in India, be it west, south, east or center part of India. We have also grown outside India, and our plan is to make this platform global at a certain point of time. The second dimension that we have is the functions. So we have projects in all functions, and when I say functions, it's about HR, it's about product development, it's about funding, it's about mergers and acquisitions, it's about supply chain, and all the functions we can think about in a manufacturing industry. The third complexity or third dimension of complexity that comes in our platform is the sector. So anything in manufacturing, right from pin manufacturing to an aerospace aircraft manufacturing, we deal with all kinds of complexities. We have consultants well mapped, and we have industries and we have projects which come from each and every sector. There are sectors which are booming, which are like food and beverage, food processing, chemicals, packaging, defense, but we have sectors, we have advisors and consultants covering other sectors also, oil and gas, aerospace, automotive and all. So these are the three dimensions and complexities we deal with. This makes ourselves, our team, our platform and our concept very unique. Thank you.
Today, what is happening in the Indian MSME segment is when it comes to the Tier 2 and Tier 3 cities, it becomes very difficult to get the right experts. That is why Solution Buggy has created a very user-friendly and a unique platform, which anybody can just log in and then post their problem on the platform, and then there is an AI engine which takes over and gets you the right expert within a very short period of time, and then you can get the project executed through them. So this is the simplicity and which we bring to the platform, although there is a complex algorithm working at the background. And this in particular has helped, especially during the COVID and the post-COVID era, wherein we have seen almost 6x growth in the number of inquiries that we have got from Tier 2 and Tier 3 cities, and we have been able to cater to requirements in most of the sectors, the prominent among them being food, chemical, pharma, electronics and renewable energy, which have seen a lot of interest, especially with the Atmanirbhar Bharat scheme and also the fallout of the India-China border conflicts. So what have we done during the COVID and the post-COVID era is helped the MSMEs along with some of the organizations such as UNDP and the Government of Karnataka and the Vision Karnataka Foundation with not only the expertise, but also with helping in terms of funding assistance, in terms of getting them new market access, in terms of getting substitution products that they can manufacture, access to better logistics, and also access to alternate sources of getting the raw materials. So this in totality has helped us in increasing the number of MSMEs coming to us, and also we have helped them in solving the problems and getting access to a lot of new markets that which previously they were not able to access to. So overall, Solution Buggy has helped the MSME segments, MSME in the manufacturing sector, right from the product conceptualization to the new plant setup, or somebody who wants to do a new product development, or somebody who is also having problems with the existing funding, so and various other sectors. So if you are an entrepreneur looking to enter the manufacturing sector, or you are an existing MSME who is looking to grow your business or having problems, or you are an SME, a subject matter expert in the manufacturing sector, then do visit our website solutionbuggy.com, and then you can see the kind of solutions that we are providing and be benefited. Thank you.